this exercise, we'll group the upper portion of a die set and then use X-form-delta-move to move the punch into the die. We'll start by removing level 3 from the display. This leaves the parts that will move. We'll click on Tools, Group, Make, and type Top for the group name. Then we'll select all of the solids that make up the top assembly. Next we'll use X-form-delta-move. We'll click on Group, then we'll click on Select, and click on the top plate. With a C-plane equal 1 active in the file, we'll use a negative Z value to move the top die plate assembly downward. You can also create a macro to automate the die set movement. You can check out these key videos in our university to learn more about how to do this. So let's work with an actual file. We'll open up sample file KCV dieset2.ckd. Let's switch to the action view. This will make it a little easier to see the die action. First thing we're going to do is turn off level 3. What's left are the parts that are going to make up our moving group. So let's click on Tools, Group, Make, and we'll type TOP for the name of the group. Now we'll select everything on the display. Let's turn back on level 3 so our complete assembly is displayed. We'll use X-form-delta-move, click on Group, then on Select, and then we'll click on the main plate at the top and the whole group is selected. Now hit the Accept button. With a value X0, Y0, and Z of minus value, it moves down. And we can do that again and again to move the plate down. Once we're done in Escape, we can undo to move the plate back up. And of course we can redo to move it back down. If you create a macro, you would automate this. So let's recap. In this exercise, we grouped the upper portion of a die set and then used X-form-delta-move to move the punch into the die. We started by removing level 3 from the display. This left the parts that would move. We clicked on Tools, Group, Make, and typed Top for the group name. Then we selected all of the solids that made up the top assembly. Next we used X-form-delta-move. We clicked on Group, then we clicked on Select, and we clicked on the top plate. With a C-plane equal to 1 active in the file, we used a negative Z value to move the top die plate assembly downward. We could also create a macro to automate the die set movement. You can check out these key videos to learn more about how to do this.